Hello. In this video, we'll look at how Pathfinder NAV helps ports, terminals, VTS operators, coastguards, and waterway authorities to protect the integrity of the waters they manage. Every day, vessels move through port approaches, channels, anchorages, berths, rivers, and coastal areas using position data that depends heavily on GNSS. When that position data is degraded by jamming, spoofing, or interference, the waterway can still look normal, but the navigation picture may no longer be reliable. Pathfinder NAV provides real-time visibility of GNSS integrity across controlled waterways, helping authorities understand where positioning trust is strong, where it is degrading, and where action may be needed. It is designed to support safer traffic management, better situational awareness, faster advisory decisions, and clearer information sharing with the vessels and users operating in the area. For ports and authorities, the challenge is not only detecting a GNSS threat. The real operational question is, can vessels in this area trust their position data right now? Pathfinder NAV answers that question by creating a live GNSS threat picture across the waterway. Using a mesh of Pathfinder NAV Nano units, full Pathfinder NAV onboard units, fixed monitoring points, vessel-based sensors, or a combination of all of these, the system continuously gathers GNSS integrity data from across the operating area. That data can be visualized directly inside the Pathfinder NAV portal, delivered through built-in APIs, or fed into existing VTS, port management, maritime security, or operational dashboards. This allows Pathfinder NAV to act either as a standalone situational awareness platform or as an intelligence layer within systems already used by the authority. The core interface is built around a live operational map of the waterway. This map shows the current GNSS integrity picture in real time, combining detection data from deployed units with spatial analysis from the Pathfinder NAV engine. Operators can see affected areas, developing interference zones, likely threat types, and changing risk levels across the waterway. Threat layers can include carrier wave suppression, jamming risk, spoofing risk, interference levels, peak power events, and wider position integrity status. These layers are displayed geographically, allowing teams to understand not just that a GNSS anomaly exists, but where it is affecting navigation and which areas may require attention. For a port, this could mean identifying degradation in an approach channel before vessels begin reporting unreliable positions. For a terminal, it could mean detecting localized interference affecting berthing, pilotage, or autonomous systems. For a coastguard or VTS operator, it could mean seeing a wider disruption pattern across a coastal region, river, estuary, or traffic separation area. The system helps turn invisible signal threats into a visible operational picture. That picture can then support advisories, traffic management decisions, pilot instructions, incident response, and post-event investigation. AAS integration adds an important layer of context. By overlaying live vessel traffic onto the GNSS threat picture, operators can immediately see which vessels are inside or approaching an affected area. This allows teams to assess the operational impact of a degraded GNSS zone, prioritize traffic, identify vulnerable movements, and communicate clearly with affected waterway users. Instead of treating GNSS interference as an isolated technical event, Pathfinder NAV links it directly to the live maritime environment. Who's there and where are they going? Are they entering a degraded area? Do they need to be warned? That connection between signal intelligence and vessel movement is what makes the system operationally useful. Pathfinder NAV also includes real-time weather overlays, giving operators a fuller understanding of navigation risk. GNSS degradation does not happen in isolation. Reduced visibility, strong wind and tidal conditions, heavy rain, poor sea state, or restricted maneuvering areas can all increase the operational consequences of unreliable position data. By combining GNSS integrity, AIS traffic, and weather conditions in one view, Pathfinder NAV helps authorities assess the true risk level across the waterway. A minor GNSS anomaly in open water may require monitoring. The same anomaly in poor visibility near a port entrance with dense traffic and pilotage operations underway may require immediate advisory action. The platform is designed for flexible deployment. Pathfinder NAV Nano units can be positioned around key areas such as port entrances, harbour walls, pilot stations, terminals, VTS towers, offshore structures, or strategic points along a waterway. Full Pathfinder NAV units can also be installed on authority vessels, pilot boats, service craft, ferries, or participating commercial vessels. Together, these units create a distributed monitoring mesh, building a live regional picture of GNSS health from multiple observation points. This improves coverage, strengthens confidence in detection, and helps distinguish local receiver issues from wider environmental threats. Authorities can choose how they use the data. For some, the Pathfinder NAV portal provides the complete operational view with map layers, threat scoring, replay, analysis, and reporting. For others, Pathfinder NAV data can be integrated directly into existing systems through APIs or data feeds. This allows ports, terminals, and VTS operators to enrich their current visualizations without replacing established workflows. The same intelligence can also be transformed into clear external information for waterway users. That could include advisory dashboards, alerts, notices, pilot briefings, port operations updates, or restricted area warnings where appropriate. The aim is not only to detect a threat, but to make the right people aware of it in a clear, timely, and operationally useful way. Historical analysis and replay tools allow teams to review GNSS events after they occur. Operators can examine when degradation began, how it spread, which areas were affected, what vessels were present, and how conditions changed over time. This supports incident review, evidence gathering, regulatory reporting, operational learning, and future resilience planning. Over time, Pathfinder NAV helps authorities understand recurring interference patterns, vulnerable locations, high-risk operating conditions, and the effectiveness of mitigation actions. For authorities responsible for safe and efficient waterways, Pathfinder NAV provides more than a technical warning system. It provides a live position integrity picture for the waters under your control. Protect your waterway. Inform your users. Respond before GNSS disruption becomes a navigation incident. Pathfinder NAV, waterway position integrity monitoring for ports, terminals, coastguards, and maritime authorities. Thanks for watching.